Hi, it's Mandy again. I'm a psychologist and a counsellor, and I've been doing this job for 25 years. I've picked up a lot of things along the way, and I would like to share them with you. I'd like you to share things with me too. I would like to create a community on this channel where we all get together and we have a chat about what's working in life, what's not working in life. I find that a lot of us have parallel lives, but we don't always talk about the things that are going on because obviously we go to work, we put our masks on and say everything's fine, everything's great. But I see clients and a lot of them have issues that I see that other clients have, but nobody actually knows that we're all sharing a lot of the same stuff. So yeah, I hope that this channel is going to help people just feel less alone and to feel that we all go through tough times. Even therapists do. I have my issues. I'm a human too. So I'll be putting some of my own stories on and things that might help viewers. Again, when you're feeling really anxious, and a lot of that comes from overthinking, it's really important to think about mindfulness and something else we call grounding techniques. In another video, I've talked about box breathing, which just calms your whole body down. We always have to focus on getting our body to be calm before we can start working on our thoughts. So you can't really think your way out of panic or out of a stressed out situation because your body kind of goes into automatic mode: fight, fright, freeze, faint and fawn. There's actually 5 Fs, not 10, 5. And one thing that really helps is with mindfulness, and I do this a lot as well. I try to get out of my head, which is busy. I'm overthinking, I'm worrying about stuff. I'm using a lot of errors in thinking, which I will talk to you about in another video. But this video is basically going to be focused on mindfulness and a very clever technique that's for beginners to kind of get you into the habit of getting outside of your head and into the room, into your surroundings, what's concrete, what's real around you. So, you could look at this picture behind me. Most people would agree that that is a picture, but a lot of the stuff that we are thinking about in our heads are based on our fears and insecurities. And a lot of that can actually be negotiated, or it's subjective. It's not like picking up a cushion and going, that's a cushion. A lot of this it's subjective, so be careful about what you want to believe. So anyway, to get out of your mind and just to calm yourself down and to stop getting sucked into those thought passages of all sorts of what ifs and all the problems that might occur, and make how our thoughts frighten us and our brains scare us with overthinking, is to do the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. I've changed it a little bit at the end, but I'll explain. So what you do is you look around the room and you look for 5 things that you can see. So for me, I can see a towel, I can see a picture, a dog, little doggy sleeping here, television, and a chair. Is that 5? I think I did 5. 4 would be things you can touch. So a chair, a cushion, my knee, and there's a wire over here. 3 things that I can see would be pictures, statues, and another picture hanging on the wall. Then we go on to 2 things that you can taste or smell, if possible. If you're in a restaurant, you could smell something or taste something, but you may not always have those senses available. And when you use your 5 senses, your brain has less time to worry about things. So using your 5 senses is really good in grounding you and bringing you back into the real world and not up in your head with all these worries that can stress us out unnecessarily. And number 1, I use that to kind of, either, depending on if you're just really fed up with the world, you could always do it as one thing that you're grateful for. It could be anything. It could be that you're cancer-free, or that a stranger let you out in the traffic, or you got up 5 minutes early, or you got 5 minutes extra in bed. It can be tiny, small little things. But just to remind you, we sometimes have to push ourselves to look at the positives because our brains default to what is negative because it's always looking out for danger. Or you can use the 1 as one thing that you like about yourself. For those who tend to have a lot of negative self-talk, it's always good to be repeating good inner dialogue to yourself. That you're okay, that things are okay, that you're not this bad person. Every time try and reframe things. I'll be talking about that in another session on cognitive behavioral techniques. But in this session, just mindfulness is important. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go back again and do it again. Repetition's key to get things to be a habit in your brain. It takes time for your brain to carve out new neural pathways and to make things more automatic. But give it a go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can do it anywhere you are, and it just kind of interrupts that flow of overthinking and stress and can just calm you down and get you out of your busy brain. Give it a go. If you like these videos, please subscribe. If you have any ideas of something that you would like to see a video on, please write to me. If anything that you've done works, let me know as well, because I love to share and I want to create a community where we can all share on here in a safe space and feel that it's our little go-to in this crazy bad world. So I'd love to hear from you, and I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.